Made-in-China.com-Machinery Limited is a professional machinery manufacturer. Our main fields are cutter suction dredger, water plant harvester, gold mining equipment, sand equipment of pumping, separating, washing and making. We, Made-in-China.com-Machinery, devote ourselves to the production and sale of a dozen of series products and their spare parts. Our company attaches great importance to the development of scientific research. We have firstly passed ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, the Enterprise Qualification Certification of Dredger, Building, and kinds of national patents. We have experienced and qualified technicists and engineers who can design rational and feasible solutions according to clients' requirements and working condition. Our company also establishes and improves the equipment archives and service system, studies clients' feedback to improve our products and meet clients' needs. Our products have been exported to more than 50 countries such as America, Argentina, Suriname, Guinea, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Sudan, Ecuador, Philippines, Indonesia, Burma, Thailand, India, Russia, etc. And adhering client first is our service concept. To make first-class quality and service is our brand goal. To take clients as the center, strive for survival by quality, and seek development by innovation is our enterprise tenet. We provide high-quality products and a faultless service. We would like to invite you to create a bright future together.